What is OmeTV app? So this is quite popular video chatting app. As you can see, it's in the top charts. It is popular in in some countries in Asia, in Turkey, for example, Middle East. But yeah, this is the app where if you like this random video chat experiences, that's where you can try it out, and then you can just open up the app, and then yeah, here just sign in with your Apple or Facebook. Then you can just search for profiles. You can select different countries. You can select gender, filter here, which you can have. And then, yeah, that's the idea. And then you also can search for photos. Then how it works, you just have your profile here where you can just search for, different people, and then they will just randomly appear in your uh, top video message. Yeah, if you like these apps, like give a try to OmeTV. I don't usually use these chat roulette apps, but then yeah, then you can just randomly communicate. You can actually get addicted to this. It can be quite fun. Sometimes it's not fun. There are like a lot of weird people, and there is a lot of spam, and you never know actually which of these profiles are spam bots and or which are real people. So just be careful on these kind of apps. But yeah, you can try it out. Can just brush up your profile, and then you have also settings here. You can enable safe mode here in the top just to be sure. And then if you don't like someone, you can just block them. But yeah, that's basically the idea of the app.